Hollow Earth, a story from Olaf Jansen. A Norwegian fisherman named Olaf Jansen sailed with his father in search of ivory tusks off the coast of San Josef Land near the North Pole. After hours of sailing through icebergs, they came to an inlet. The two were shocked to see greenery and vegetation. The temperature was much warmer, and now the water was fresh. In the sky, they saw what looked like a false sun in the distance. It was red with a hazy cloud around it. The trees on this island were massive. As they sailed along the coast, they were greeted by a gigantic ship, larger and stranger than any ship they've ever seen. On this ship, there were men of great stature, towering over the two sailors. The men were around 12 feet, and the women were between 9 and 10 feet. They were dressed in fine tunics made of silk and satin, and the sandals and buckles were adorned with gold. The two sailors boarded the ship and would spend the next 2 years living with the giants inside the earth. In Asiatic mythology, this land is described as the dwelling that the gods created for the first humans. The description corresponds with many other ancient texts translating to the center of the earth. In biblical terms, this would be the Garden of Eden, and according to the Bible, the Garden of Eden is still somewhere on earth, or perhaps inside earth. Olaf states that the inner earth is 1/4 water and 3/4 land. The crust is roughly 300 miles thick. Scientist Steve Jacobson has discovered that there is in fact water 300 miles below the surface. The sun inside Earth is described as an electromagnetic ball surrounded by a hazy white fog. The beings inside Earth refer to this as the smoky god. The cities are far more advanced than ours, and the animals and vegetation are huge. In Norse mythology, this place is known as Asgard, located in the center of the universe. Coming up next, Shambhala. Follow for more.